Welcome back to the English Essences podcast.
Join us and learn English fast.
Hello, Alex. Can I ask you something very soft and very real? When your phone rings, do you ever feel your heart jump a little? Like, oh, should I answer?
Yeah. I feel that every time. When phone ring, my hand stop, my mind go blank. I think, what I say? What if I say wrong?
Yeah, that feeling is very human, very normal. Many people feel it, even people who speak English every day. You are not alone here.
That make me feel little calm, because phone call feels scary more than face talk.
Yes, phone calls can feel heavy because we cannot see the face, we only hear the voice. And today, we just sit together and talk about phone calls, very slowly, very gently. Listeners, if you are here now and your heart feels tight about phone calls, please stay. This talk is for you.
Emma, when phone ring, I feel pressure, like I must speak fast.
Pressure. Slow nod. That word, pressure, means a heavy feeling inside, like something pushing you. Gentle tone. For example, when you hurry to answer a call, your chest feels tight. That is pressure.
Yes, pressure. I feel that. Slow breath.
And it is okay. We will take it slow. No rush, no push.
Thank you.
Gentle. Alex, do you remember a phone call that felt hard?
Yes. Last week, my office called me, unexpected. I was eating and phone rang suddenly.
Unexpected. That word, unexpected, means something comes without plan, without warning, like a phone call when you are eating.
Yeah, unexpected. My mouth full, my brain empty. Quiet laugh.
I can see that. Slow pause. And what did you feel in that moment?
I feel nervous. My voice shake a little bit.
Nervous, yes. Nervous means your body feels jumpy, your hands feel cold, your voice feels small. Many people feel nervous on phone calls. Softly to listener. If you feel nervous too, please breathe with us. Slow breath in and out. Alex, when the call started, what did you say?
I say, hello, this is Alex. Very quiet.
Very simple, very clear. Soft smile. That is good. Gentle teaching voice. Listeners, a very easy phone sentence is, hello, this is Alex. You can also say, hello, Alex speaking, or hi, this is Alex. You can choose one, slow and calm.
When you say like that, it feel easy.
Yes, because simple words are strong. Slow pause.
Emma, sometimes I worry, what if I do not understand other person?
Understand, that word means your mind catches the meaning. If you do not understand, it is okay. We can ask softly. Gentle. One useful word is repeat. Repeat means say again, slowly. For example, can you repeat that, please?
Repeat. Say again.
Yes, very kind, very polite. To listener, you can say it slowly. Can you repeat that, please? Or, sorry, can you say it again? Or, one more time, please.
I like one more time. Feel friendly.
It does. Soft smile.
Emma, when phone calls start, sometimes other persons speak fast, very fast.
Yes, fast speech can feel like waves washing over you. Slow breath. One gentle word is slowly. Slowly means not fast, with space, with time. You can say, "Can you speak slowly, please?" Or, "Please speak a little slowly."
A little slowly. That sounds polite.
Yes, small words make big comfort. To listener, remember you are allowed to ask. It is not rude, it is kind to yourself.
I never think like that.
Many people do not, but now you know.
Emma, phone calls feel lonely, like just me and voice.
Lonely, that word means feeling alone inside, even when someone is there. Slow pause. Phone calls can feel lonely because there is no face, no smile, but your voice still matters.
My voice matters. Slow smile.
Yes, very much. Teaching softly. Listeners, a simple sentence you can use is, "I'm on the phone right now," or "I'm calling about work," or "I'm calling to ask something."
Calling to ask. That is useful.
Yes, simple and clear.
Emma, what if call is wrong number?
Ah, good question. Soft smile. Wrong number means you call the wrong person by mistake. You can say, "Sorry, wrong number," or "I think this is a wrong number," or "Sorry, I called the wrong person."
That feels safe.
Yes, no shame, just words.
Emma, when I finish phone call, my body feel tired.
Tired means low energy, like your battery is empty. Phone calls can use a lot of energy, especially when you feel nervous. Please be gentle with yourself after.
I like that.
Slow breath. Alex, can we imagine a soft phone call together?
Yes, okay.
Gentle. Your phone rings, you are calm, you breathe, and you say,
Slow. Hello, this is Alex.
"Very good, very clear." To listener, you can practice with us, even whisper, it is okay.
Then other person speak fast.
And you say,
Sorry, can you speak slowly, please?
"Yes, perfect, kind, and clear." One more word, sorry. Sorry is not only for mistakes, it is also a soft way to ask. For example, "Sorry, can you repeat that?" It is gentle, not weak.
I always think sorry is bad.
Many people think that, but sorry can be soft, like a cushion.
Cushion?
Cushion means something soft you sit on. Quiet laugh.
See, learning can be light.
To listener, another easy sentence is, "I will call you back," or "Can I call you later?" or "I will call again later."
That help when busy.
Yes, very useful.
Emma, sometimes I do not know how to end call.
End, that word means finish, close. Ending a call can feel awkward, but simple words help. You can say, "Thank you for calling," or "Thank you for your time," or "Okay, talk to you later."
Talk to you later. Feel friendly.
Yes, warm and human. Softly, listeners, notice how all these sentences are short, simple, no big words.
Emma, when I hear phone ring now, I feel little less fear.
That makes me happy. Slow smile. Fear, that word means strong worry, like a shadow. And when we add light, fear becomes smaller.
Light, like your voice.
Thank you. And your voice too. Slow pause. Alex, what is one sentence you want to remember today?
Can you repeat that, please? I like that.
Beautiful choice. To listener, Maybe you choose one sentence too, just one, and keep it close. Slow recap. Today, we touched words like pressure, unexpected, nervous, repeat, slowly, lonely, tired, end. You don't need all, just one or two. Slow breath. We will continue sitting together, slowly, with phone call English, step by step. Please stay with us. Breathe. You are doing well.